in a bit of a bind because I'm at the point where this gas tank can pretty much go together and be done with it. But right now I am not happy with the lines of the gas tank. I've had it mounted for a while and it's supposed to go like this, but it has an incline going upwards that just throws the lines off to the back of the bike a little too much for my liking. And I've tried it looking at different sides, I've had it on the ground, I want to change it, and I figured out which way to do it. It's just going to be a little risky. The way that I have it is that I want to take these tabs that hold the front, and we're going to move them up here. Hopefully this works here, and make the lines go essentially like so. So everything then, well, a little bit higher there, right about there, so right around there. So that the lines are straight here and then straight here to give that symmetrical look to the bike, to get that streamlined flat tracker XR750 full look. So in order to do that, we have to do some cutting, do some welding, and really hope that this really pays off, because this is gonna be a pain in the ass trying to figure this out. So we gotta get through these tabs. We'll jump over to the welding table, get all this set up, and we'll do some hacking. All right, let's get it done. So first thing, we're gonna try and get this weld. It's gapped enough where we should be good to be able to cut through. Obviously the whole goal is not to go into the gas tank. The steel is thick enough where we should be fine to be able to cut it out and then have these tabs nice and open to figure out where we want to go from there. Got everything set up here. We're gonna tack weld the tab onto the tank, so it's as close as we can get this way, at least as far as my abilities, to be able to weld this and make sure in the right spot. So down to here, we're gonna weld it right in there. We're just doing a tack weld here just to get everything in position before we can actually weld it off it. So I just wanna make sure we are dead nuts even for the most part. We'll get there, okay? All right, let's give this a shot. First one we got. Now hopping on the other side. All right, so we are tack welded, and that was a bitch because I was trying to get those points at the exact same spot, as close as I can, the right angle, the right look, the right formation, and it was tough because I had to also cover up everything, hold it with one hand, and just slowly work my way into it. But we got it, okay? We're tack welded, stoked, new location on the tank. We got some cleanup below here we're gonna do, but we're gonna do a little more welding on these tabs here so that they're a little more secured, and then later we can get down to actually clean the rest of these up and off. I got a little bit of an exciting thing to show you guys that I don't know if I caught it on camera or not, but I'll show you guys once we get this welded up. We just want to make sure that we take our time on this one here because we don't want to go through the steel. I'm just going to tack weld a little bit here and there to get our spots nice and secured, and we will make them a little more permanent here. Looks good. I don't want to go too crazy and warp the metal, but these tack welds will hold pretty well. Probably gonna do a little bit on the inside as well. But pop the other side. And I just had one of those tabs move on me as well, so that's fun. I was able to move it back. So now we just get a little more permanent. Nothing through the tank, looks good. Tack weld our tab. That'll do for now until we clean that up. All the welding done, let's just get the tank on here and see if it all came out all right. The bottom part of the tank, that should be easy. All my wiring with this, figured out that was gonna be good. So we get this lined up here first. And cannot forget the seat. Right about there. Bam, look at that. That's awesome. I am stoked. Just that small adjustment by just raising or lowering the tank down just made the lines go perfect together. That's awesome. All right, well, the reason why we didn't do any more cleanup on the tank or grind it down is because while I was grinding or cutting on the sheet metal there, my compressor caught fire. Motor just burned up, so just kind of had to stop, had to rework, but I got the welding done. I'm stoked, we got that. Lines are coming together. It's a lot more challenging than it looks, trying to just do the small adjustments, welding that, making sure everything goes right position, just try to plan it all out. But I'm stoked, I'm happy, this is sweet. All right, but for now guys, that brought us to the end of this one. I greatly appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below and tell what you think. And for those that have already subscribed, thank you as always, stay free. Catch you guys later, peace.